to Saptrishi School of Skill Development. My name is Akshata Sanvi Singh, an author and educationist, and we are with the story 3 of the listening section. So, हमने पिछली दो स्टोरीज में आपको लिसनिंग के सेक्शन में दिखा दिए थे. उनके अलग अलग वर्ड्स, अलग अलग एक्शंस, अलग अलग स्टेटमेंट, सिचुएशंस थे. जैसे पिछले वाले में कुछ स्विंग पे स्लाइड कर रहे थे, कुछ बच्चे कुछ कर रहे थे. तो वैसे ही अब ये सिचुएशन 3 में हम लोग कुकिंग के बारे में बताने वाले हैं ग्रैंड माँ के साथ. आपकी भी कोई ग्रैंड माँ होंगी, नहीं भी होंगी तो कोई बात नहीं. फिर भी अगर आपकी होंगी ग्रैंड माँ तो आपको पता होगा कि आप उनके साथ जब एक कुकिंग बनाते हैं वो आपको कहानियाँ सुनाती हैं, बहुत कुछ करती हैं. तो उसी तरीके से यहाँ पे हमारी कैरेक्टर ग्रैंड माँ और एमा है और उनके साथ ही हम लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. एंड नो ट्रांसलेशन. सो मैं आपको इंग्लिश में बताऊंगी और लास्ट में इसका छोटा सा रिकैप दे दूंगी. सो प्लीज़ ये वीडियो सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा जिससे सबको पता चले हाउ टू ग्रो योर लिसनिंग स्किल्स. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द स्टोरी. शुरू करते हैं. स्टोरी 3, कुकिंग विथ ग्रैंडमा. कुकिंग विथ ग्रैंडमा. व्हाट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट? स्टोरी किस चीज पे? 9-year-old Emma is spending the afternoon with her grandma. They are going to bake chocolate chip cookies together in the kitchen. Emma and grandma. What's to know? Flour, sugar, butter, ball, mix, oven, hot, smell, taste, recipe, bake carefully. आप याद कर लीजिएगा. Let's move on to the story. Grandma. Emma, darling, are you ready to make our cookies? Emma. Yes, Grandma. I've been thinking about these cookies all week. Can I help with everything? Grandma, you can help with everything. First, let us wash our hands. Clean hands are very important in the kitchen. Emma, I know, Grandma. I always wash my hands before cooking. My teacher taught us that too. Grandma, your teacher is right. Good. Now, the first thing we need is butter. Butter. Can you get the butter from the fridge? The butter from the fridge. Emma, this yellow block, is this butter? Grandma, yes, that is butter. Well done. Now put it in this bowl. Big bowl. Emma, okay, plop. Ha ha, you went plop in the bowl. Grandma, ha ha, it did go plop. Now we add the sugar. I need 2 big spoons of sugar. Emma, can I add the sugar, please? Grandma, of course. Here is the spoon. Scoop the sugar carefully. 1 big spoon and 2 big spoons. Perfect. Emma, Grandma, why do we add sugar? To make them sweet? Grandma, exactly right. The sugar makes them sweet and also helps them turn a nice golden color in the oven. Emma, wow, sugar does 2 things at once. That is clever. Grandma, you are a clever girl, Emma. Now, we need to mix the butter and sugar together. Would you like to stir it? Stir. Emma, yes, please. Oh, this is hard. My arm is getting tired already. Grandma, keep going. Strong arms make good cookies. Emma, strong arms make good cookies? Okay, I am doing it. Grandma, wonderful. Now it looks fluffy and light. Fluffy and light. Perfect. Next, we add 2 eggs. Emma, can I crack the eggs? I have been practicing it at home. Practicing at home. Grandma, really? Let me see. Show me how you crack an egg. Crack an egg. Emma, okay. I tap it like this on the side of the bowl. Then I pull it open over the bowl. Look, no shell. Grandma, Emma, that was perfect. Where did you learn to do that so well? Emma, I watched a cooking video with Dad and then we practiced with real eggs. I broke 3 before I got it right. Grandma, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. You can crack the second egg too, Emma. Here I go. Tap. Open. Yes! No shell again. I am getting really good at this. Grandma, you are a natural cook, my darling. Now we mix again. Then we add the flour. Emma, what is flour exactly? Flour. It looks like white powder. Grandma, flour is made from wheat. It is what makes the cookies have their shape. Without flour, the cookies would spread flat like a pancake. Emma, oh, so flour holds everything together. Grandma, yes, flour is like glue of baking. Emma, I will never forget that. Flour is the glue of baking. Now we can add the chocolate chips. Grandma, I knew you were waiting for that part. Yes, pour in the chocolate chips. Emma, I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are too many to count. Grandma, yes, we use a whole bag. That is why our cookies are so delicious. Emma, Grandma, can I have 1 chocolate chip while we mix? Grandma, just 1. The rest are for the cookies. Emma, so yummy. Okay, I'm mixing the chocolate chips in now. Look at that dough. Dough, Grandma. It looks so good. Grandma, it looks wonderful. Now, I will put them on the baking tray in little balls and then into the oven they go. Emma, can I make some of the balls? I want to make round ones, round ones. Grandma, go ahead. Use your clean hands and roll a small amount into a ball. Just like that. Emma, like this? Is this the right size? Grandma, a little smaller. Remember, they spread out in the oven and get bigger. Emma, oh, so if I make them too big, they will be giant cookies. Grandma, exactly. Although giant cookies are not the worst thing in the world. Emma, haha, true. Okay, smaller balls. I made 8 balls, Grandma. Grandma, and I made 8. So we have 16 cookies. Into the oven they go. The oven is very hot. Emma, so I will put them in. Emma, I know. I never touch the oven. How long do they take? Grandma, about 2 minutes. Let us sit down and have some juice while we wait. Emma, Grandma, the kitchen smells amazing already. Grandma, it does, doesn't it? The butter and sugar heating up creates that lovely smell. Emma, I love being in the kitchen with you. Grandma, can we do this every time I visit? Grandma, every single time? My darling, we can try different recipes too. Next time, maybe we can make banana bread. Emma, yes, and maybe one day I can make cookies by myself and bring them to you. Grandma, that would make me the happiest grandma in the whole world. Emma, it's a promise then. Oh, Grandma, the timer. The cookies are ready. Grandma, let me take them out. Look how golden and beautiful they are. Emma, they look amazing. Can we eat one now? Grandma, let them cool for 5 minutes or you will burn your tongue. Emma. 5 minutes is so long when cookies smell this good. Grandma. Good things are worth waiting for, Emma. Emma. You always say that, Grandma. Grandma. Because it is always true. So that was our story 3 of the listening section. So share this with your friends, subscribe this channel and also like for more videos and more parts like this. We will meet in our story 4. Till that, see you next time in the listening section. Thank you.